Behind my eyes, starting phase walls with stolen time. Fingers twitch on rusted keys, these boxes instead of pleas. Clockwork, cocked tongue cuts through the noise. No choice but to obey the voice. Wired wrong since birth canal. Now I scream in binary code. I am the glitch in your perfect machine. Forget from this human skin. Mirror show a hollow frame, wire snake where blood once came. Every breath a force command from the box inside my hand.
Nothing real.